I'm KRISHNA. So today we are going to learn about what is this GIF function. This GIF is an inbuilt function. Okay, so it is used to combine two lists. Okay, we'll see how it is done. Okay, GIF, like, okay, we are having like normal GIF. What happens? The two different entities are there. To join the two different entities, GIF will be used. Okay, in the same way here also zip will be used if you are taking two lists. Okay, we already covered lists. Okay, if you are taking two lists, if you want to combine both the lists. Okay, suppose in one list contains the student name and the other list contains the student marks. If you want to combine those both the things, and if you uh, want to make a dictionary. Okay, like okay, so this zip will be used. Okay, so like dictionary, suppose there will be some word and the meaning will be there. Okay, suppose that a word is there in one list and the meaning is there in some other list, and you are going to join it. Okay, so it is a very important function. Okay, with respect to the list is concerned. Okay, so let's check with an example. Okay, I am using PyCharm, okay, to write my code. So here today we are learning about ZIP zip. Okay, we'll see what are the arguments that this function is will be taking. Okay, so what I will be doing is I will be taking two lists. Okay, suppose L1 is one list which contains some names. Okay, otherwise I will say names is one list, and lists we have to use square brackets. So in this I will be giving some names, some Krishna, uh, Raghu, some Satya. Okay, these are the three names, and I will be taking another list with marks, which is equal to marks will be suppose 100, some 50, some 70. Okay, so I have taken the marks, okay, in one list and the names in another list. Okay, so I want to join it. I want to say, okay, Krishna got 100 marks, Raghu got okay, what to call 50 marks, and Satya got 70 marks. Okay, in that way I wanted to join it. Okay, so I have to use the zip. Okay, zip function. Okay, so what I will be doing is I will be using zip function ZIP. See here, zip is a function and this is an inbuilt function. Okay, and it is taking the iterables, that is what is the list. Okay, we can use tuple, you can use anything. Okay, here I am using list. Okay, zip, and here I wanted to join. See here, they are the different what you call uh, it is helping us okay, to how this G function should be used. Okay, this is what is the flavor of the pie charm. Okay, so here I have to mention the iterables. Okay, that is what name, what are the iterables what that I wanted to join. Name I wanted to join, and marks. Okay, so okay, and here, see here, this gif function is returning. One second, I will be, it is not visible, no? So here, see, it is returning, what it is returning, it is returning the iterator which is having a tuple. Okay, so it is returning the tuples. Okay, the two iterator. Okay, the two iterator. It is returning the iterator which contain the tuple. Okay, so means it is returning the what you call the iterator. So I will be storing this in some mm, exam data. Okay, so whatever it is returning, this function is returning, I am storing in some variable. Okay, so and I wanted to print it, so print exam data. Okay, here see how it is doing, running it. Yes, what it is returning, it is returning a iterator. So here I have to means I wanted to actually uh, convert this variable to a list or a dictionary. Okay, whatever iterator we want it. Okay, so what I will be doing is I wanted this in a dictionary format. So what I will be doing here also I can convert, or while printing also I can convert to dict. Okay, here if you are converting means actually it is taking the iterator. So here if I am converting means it will not variable, you should not convert. No, we have to convert here. So dict, can you do here? Right. So now it is returning, it is actually it is 1 second, it is returning the iterator which is converted to dictionary, and that dictionary is being stored here. Okay, in this variable. Okay, that variable is been printed over here. So we'll see, right, in the form of dictionary it is showing. Suppose I want not in the form of dictionary, but I want in the form of, so here you can see that Mohan is related to 100, Raghu is related to 50, and Satya is related to 10. Okay, suppose you can say that, sir, here there are equal number of items are there. Suppose if I am having some extra item over here, so suppose some Mohan, and here only three are there, then what happens, sir? See here, it will take only first three. Okay, right. So okay, this is if you are converting it into a dictionary, it is representing, is taking it as a form of dictionary. Okay, then what about lists, sir? If I want, see here, if I want to take in terms of list, I can take it. See here, so here it contains the list. See here, square bracket, so it is in the form of list, but inside these elements here they are round brackets. Okay, inside the, this means that inside that they are taking as a tuple. Okay, why sir it is taking as a tuple? You may having doubt, because tuple we can't, it is immutable, we can't add anything. So here, if here already lists are being given, here already lists are there, and these two lists are being combined, so we can't add anything to the result. Okay, the result is this one, so we can't add, so it is taking in terms of tuple. Okay, so this tuple has been converted to list. Sir, can I convert to set? List is over. Okay, anyhow, can I convert to tuple? First thing we'll see. Okay, we can convert to tuple. See, both are round brackets. Can I convert to set? Yes. Can I, sir, convert? Okay, set. Then this set can be converted to frozen set. Can this be converted to frozen set? Not like this, like this. Is it like this? What is being printed? Okay, frozen set. See, so whatever the iterator is, we can convert it. Okay, there is no issue. So the purpose of this zip is so that mainly it will be used in the list where two lists are combined and a dictionary is being formed. Okay, which can be used further. Okay, which is very useful while writing the programs. Okay, hope you got some idea on this what you called zip. Okay, right. Thank you.